Hi, my name is John, and this Talystone support video will help you install the Google Sheets add-on called CapTable for Sheets. CapTable for Sheets requires you to have an existing Gmail or Google Workspace account. Let's get started by opening a fresh browser window, preferably logged into your Google profile. In the search bar, type workspace.google.com/marketplace. Hit enter to go to the Marketplace homepage. At the top of the Marketplace homepage is the app search bar. Click in the bar and type CapTable and hit enter. The first result should be the CapTable for Sheets app. Click on the app icon to go to the app install page. The install page provides information about the look and feel of the app and gives the user the opportunity to review the app, which we would really appreciate, after you get to know the product, of course. When you are ready, click the blue Install button at the top right of the page. Click Continue to proceed with the consent approvals. Next, choose the Google account you wish to use to install the app. The next screen asks you to sign in to your Google account by clicking the Continue button. You now need to give consent to allow the app to access the Google Sheet you will be using to manage your CapTable data. Note, the consent is limited to the CapTable sheet only. You are now through the Google consent phase, and it's time to install the app. Screen 1 of 2 shows that you will find the app under the Extensions menu in Google Sheets. Remember this for later. Click Next to see Install Screen 2 of 2 to download the CapTable template sheet. Click the text saying Complete Additional Setup to open the CapTable template download page. You will have the choice of 2 templates. The first button downloads a clean template so you can begin inputting your CapTable data right away, or you can choose the example template, which is populated with sample data you can play around with. Once you make your choice, a new browser tab will open a Google Sheets page asking you to make a copy of the template. Click the Make a Copy button to open a copy of the CapTable for Sheets template. Note you can rename and share this copy of the template to whoever you choose as the owner of the sheet. The first sheet in the template is the onboarding page. However, before you begin onboarding, you need to activate the app. You may remember the first install screen directed you to find the CapTable for Sheets app in the Extensions item on the top menu in Google Sheets. Click Extension, and at the bottom of the menu you will find an item called CapTable for Sheets. Click to open that menu. At the top you will see the initial setup steps, and note that you have already completed Step 1. Next, choose Step 2, Start Onboarding, which will activate the app for use. If you don't do this step at the beginning, the buttons in the sheet won't work and you will get errors. While the app is activating, you will see a working message at the bottom of the page. Once this is complete, the onboarding sidebar panel will open automatically. You are now ready to begin the onboarding process that will guide you through entering the essential ownership data and ultimately the shared transaction data for your enterprise. Now that you are ready to go, watch the onboarding tutorial video on the Talystone YouTube channel. Also, please don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you need further help, please log a support request on our website.